Have you ever looked at your CS2 inventory? All those skins you've collected over time and wondered to yourself, is it really possible to turn this into actual money? Well, the short answer is yes, it absolutely is. Welcome to the world of skin trading. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can get started trading CS2 skins from absolute scratch. Even if you only have a couple of bucks to spare, even if you've never traded anything online before, this video is for you. Here's what we'll cover: the best platforms to start trading skins, how to identify which skins are profitable and which ones aren't worth your time, what mistakes to avoid so you don't lose your money, and of course, I'll share a real-world example, my own first profitable trade. Let's jump in. What is skin trading really? Skin trading is the practice of buying skins for a lower price and selling them later for a higher price, with the goal of profiting from the difference. You can think of it like reselling sneakers, flipping Pokemon cards, or even trading cryptocurrencies. The strategy is the same: buy low, sell high. What makes it so appealing is that it can be done by anyone. You don't need thousands of dollars, you don't need to be a financial expert. You just need some basic knowledge, a strategy, and a bit of patience. But skin trading in CS2 has its own unique characteristics. Let's break those down. 1. Float value. This refers to the level of wear and tear on a skin, and it has a massive impact on its market value. A skin with a low float, meaning less wear, can be worth significantly more than the same skin with a high float. 2. Stickers. Certain rare or desirable stickers can add value to a skin. Some buyers are willing to pay a premium just for the right sticker combination. 3. Liquidity. Not all skins sell at the same speed. Some are in high demand and move quickly, but others may sit in your inventory for days or even weeks before selling. Here's a real example from my experience. I bought an M4A1S golden coil with a 0.17 float for just $62. I found it on Buff163 after some research. 8 days later, I sold it for $74. That's a clean $10 profit. And no, I didn't unbox it or win it. This wasn't luck. It was a calculated purchase based on price history and demand trends. That's what a good trade looks like. Now let's talk about where you can trade. There are 3 major options, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. 1. Steam Market. This is the easiest place to start. Everything is linked to your Steam account and it's very user-friendly. Pros: very accessible, fast transactions, and no need to create additional accounts. Cons: you can't withdraw real money, and Valve takes a hefty 15% cut of every sale. 2. Buff163. A massive trading platform based in China. It's hugely popular among experienced traders. Pros: lower prices, massive skin selection, ideal for spotting underpriced deals. Cons: requires ID verification. Most of the interface is in Chinese, although there is an English mode. 3. Third-party sites. Platforms like CS Float and CS.money allow full trading freedom. Pros: you can cash out your profits into real money. Great for treating this as a real business. Cons: varying fees, potential country restrictions, and some sites may have trust issues. Always do your research first. So now you might be wondering, what's the best way to get started if you're a complete beginner? Here are 3 beginner-friendly strategies. 1. Flip cheap but popular skins. Focus on items that sell fast and have stable demand, such as AK Slate, AWP Atheris, or P250 Sia. These allow you to practice without risking too much. 2. Look for good float or unique stickers. Sometimes a skin with a low float or rare sticker combination is listed too cheaply. You can flip these for a solid margin, even if the skin itself isn't rare. 3. Invest short-term around key events. Major updates, case releases, or tournament hype often create price spikes. Buy before the news and sell when the market reacts. But don't just rely on instinct, use data. Check market graphs on Steam, track recent sales on Buff 163, and inspect float values using tools like CS2.com. Informed trading beats guessing every single time. Now, let's cover common mistakes to avoid. Don't buy a skin just because it looks cool. Always compare prices across at least 3 platforms. Don't trust bots or strangers in Discord, Telegram, or chats who promise fast money or secret deals. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Don't panic if the price of your skin drops. Markets fluctuate. Often, prices bounce back within days or weeks. Patience pays off. Let me tell you about my first real trade. I started with only $5 in my account. I hopped on Buff 163 and started scanning for opportunities. Eventually, I spotted an AK-47 Inheritance listed at $74. After doing a quick check on price history and demand, I bought it. Just 1 week later, I sold it for $91. That's over $15 in profit, a 20% return in just 7 days. It might not sound huge, but repeat that a few times and it adds up fast. So what do you need to begin your journey into CS2 skin trading? Choose your platform: Steam for beginners, Buff for budget deals, or third-party sites for full flexibility. Focus on cheap, liquid skins, easy to flip, quick returns. Analyze float values and price trends before you buy. Start small. Minimize your risks. Don't chase hype. Track your trades. Learn from what works and what doesn't. If you're curious to follow my progress and learn advanced tips along the way, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And hey, let me know in the comments. Have you already made your first profitable trade? Or are you still on the fence about getting started? Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.